Today I will show you how to remove harsh shadows in just 1 minute in Photoshop. Open Channels tab and hold the Ctrl or Command and click on RGB. This selects bright areas of the image. Back to Layers tab. Go to Select Inverse. Then press Ctrl J or Command J. Change the blend mode of this one from normal to screen. By holding Alt or Option, click on Mask icon. It creates a negative mask. Pick Brush. Foreground color is white. Make sure it's soft round brush. And paint on shadow areas. Now this is the before. And this is the after. See you in next tutorial.